What's up guys? It's nice to see you again here and welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, we will unbox really cool stuff na nabili ko sa Shopee. Papakita ko sa inyo. So guys, this is a pic from PicPal. So eto yung brand niya. Hindi ata siya nag-autofocus sa camera, pero this is really cool pic. Yung maganda sa pic na to, yung cool stuff sa pic na to, whenever you touch it by force like this, yan, nakikita nyo, umiilaw siya. So, ang lupet ng pic na to. Medyo malaki nga lang siya, kaya medyo nakakapanibago. So, kung gusto niyo bumili ng pic na to, so I will put the link sa comment section later. And mamaya, ita-testing natin to. Medyo nakakapanibago kasi malaki siya, pero tingnan natin when it comes to playability kung comfortable ba siya gamitin. Alright guys, just for you to see, we will have a little bit of comparison. So, this is my regular pick sa acoustic guitar. And this is my pick from PicPal. As you can see, ito yung pinakamanipis na pick kasi for strumming purposes siya mostly. At ito yung pick from PicPal. At nakita nyo makapal siya kasi may battery siya sa loob. So, itest natin. Final verdict, guys. After playing few songs, or rather few intro of the well-known songs using PicPal, to be honest, medyo awkward siya gamitin kasi medyo malaki siya. Yan, medyo makapal. At the same time, as you can see, yung peaking side niya, eto, medyo manipis siya. So, if you're going to use this for playing like strumming or even plucking, medyo sumasabit siya. Kasi pag hindi ka nga sanay sa ganito kalaking pick. Pero I think makakasanayan naman. Pero if you wanna use a really cool guitar pick na pag medyo madilim yung setup ng gig or kaya magvi-video ka, tapos gusto mo medyo cool yung dating nung video habang tumutugtog ka, I think this might be for you. So, kasi, ayan o, umiilaw siya. At mas effective siya kung medyo dim light, tapos tutugtog ka. So, overall, para sa akin, sulit pa rin. So, if it happens that you like my videos and content, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button for more upcoming videos. See ya!